We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can hide apps in Oppo. So in order to, conceal your applications or games on pretty much any given Oppo smartphone that runs the latest or somewhat the latest color OS, you will need to launch Settings, then go for the Privacy section. From here, enter the Privacy section at the top, then click at the Hide Apps option. Choose what app you would like to, hide. So let's say I'll go with, what app do I have on my home screen? Google Meet, perhaps. So let me hide the Google Meet app. So here's the application. Now turn the toggle or switch in front of it once you find the required app in the list. Then if you do not have the privacy password set, you will need to, edit. So go into Settings and set the privacy password and the password type that you'd like. I'll go with the pattern. Then set up the security question, or if you want to, you can also go for alternative recovery method, such as setting the recovery email address, but I'll personally just go with the security question. Let's say the favorite restaurant, and I'll just enter KFC. Then hit the check icon to your top right, and now you will need to also set the access code. So let's say basically the access code is the code that you will need to dial in order to open the app, or the folder that will contain all the hidden apps. So let's say I'll go with, and also as you can see from here, you will need to start your access code by the hash symbol. So I'll just go with 1111, and also you gotta end your access code with another hash as well, or pound symbol. Then hit the check mark once again, hit the done button, and as you can see, the Google Meet application was successfully hidden. It is not longer at the home screen, and if I will try to look it up in the app drawer, I will not be able to find it neither. But now, in order for me to open the list of all hidden apps, I will need to input the access code, which, as you can remember, was pound 1111 pound. And here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.